We need groups of 8 people.
In the stickers dance there are 2 parts.
With different music and different instructions.
First step, hit hello. Hit hello.
Second step, hit goodbye.
Hit goodbye. Hit hello, hit goodbye.
One group of 8 stand in 2 rows.
The 4 people in the middle, face to face.
Go around the circle following your direction and doing 4 times hit hello, hit goodbye. Look. Hit
Hello, goodbye.
Next step is hit hello with the person in front of you, and then hit hello with the person next to you. Look.
Then